I have some car related stuff to do today. The first thing is the Chevy Colorado. The oil change light came on and the guy doesn't know how to reset it, so I'm gonna reset it for him. So this one's actually really easy. Turn the ignition on. 1, 2, 3 on the gas pedal, and then turn it off. So now we should see no oil change due on here. Yeah, looks like it's fixed. Cool. Repair number 1 is done. It's actually really cold today. It's like 35. I don't like it. So we have 3 new vending machines. One is over there. 2 are right here. I don't know if they work. I'm pretty sure they work. We did have to destroy the front on one of them, which kind of sucks, to get it through a doorway. We've got this Gatorade one. This Pepsi one. Like I said, we had to destroy it a little bit. Then there's this Coca-Cola one, which is actually taller than my Coca-Cola one I already had. Same design though. Yeah, it's gonna be too cold to work on vending machines today, but I am determined to work on the truck today. So as soon as the parts get here, that's what I'm gonna be working on. I don't hear the mail truck yet. It's 12:30 already, so it should be any time now that the mail truck is coming. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So, is this outfit too loud? I just got out of the hot tub and just put on my green shirt and my green shorts and apparently my green flip-flops. I will say it's a little loud. But one thing I did get done today, I've been meaning to do this for a while, is take the ends off of my handlebars. Here they are, they're really heavy. Really heavy. So they go on like that and then tighten them and they expand this piece here. Well, I don't have mirrors, as you might have noticed. Those are supposed to go right there. And the mirrors that came with the bike, the original owner just cut them off. I don't know why he cut them off, but he cut them off. So I'm going to order bar end mirrors for this bike, and I'm going to have mirrors again and get rid of these heavy things. This actually has a screwdriver broken off in it, and they tried to drill out the screw tip and it didn't work. So we're going to replace this with a mirror. But because of where I live, it's going to be at least a week before it gets here. So maybe on the 20th, maybe on the 21st, we'll see. But I'm gonna go upload this video, relax, have a good time, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, thanks for liking and subscribing, and I appreciate you watching.